right. Thank you. Thank you for sharing Hog Dungeon's holiday joy. Appreciate y'all stopping in and sharing the holidays here in Hog Dungeons. Hogg Ed hopes to see you all out enjoying the seasons, all about shopping and goodwill towards men. The joys that God has given us to exchange gifts and to be good to each other. It is the season to be godly. Thank you from Hog Dungeons as we train and prepare ourselves for the things of the earth and the things of the heavens. Thank you and have a great season. Hogg Ed from Hog Dungeons. All right, thank you now.